Today on the Road Hard Roadhouse, it's about 100 something degrees. Shop cannot fight it. So I'm going to show you how to clean your yellow film off your plastic headlights. Let's get this started. Do it on a cooler day. Damn. Do you have yellowed plastic lenses? I'm not sure why they ever stopped making them out of glass. This is ridiculous. This is terrible. We're going to get them all cleaned up today on the Road Hard Roadhouse. The Road Hard Roadhouse is sponsored by Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri. They do media blasting, powder coating, big or small, they do it all. Tell them the Road Hard Roadhouse sent you. It's simple today. Today all we're using is acetone and a roll of paper towels. Just a few of them actually. I put a piece of tape down so you can see how much better it looks once it's done. Paper towel. Keep moving. Do not stop. Now this isn't perfect by any means, but it is 1000% better than what it was. Now, if you let that stuff sit on here, it will eat into your plastic, so please do not do that. And if you want to afterwards, I haven't done it yet, but you can go ahead and wax it and it'll take out some of the fine scratches. Now, you can also buy those kits, but this right here is, $2 and a paper towel, depending on what your acetone costs. I just went over this one once really fast. Didn't even really stop, and I don't even think I wiped it off with a paper towel. I just really quick. That is 100%. That's 100% better as well. Let me show you. This is a quick way to get the yellow off of your plastic headlights. Don't leave that acetone on there whatsoever, hardly at all. I've found that if you use the acetone and put it on there and wipe it as flat of a surface as possible, it's a lot easier for you. Oh, can't wait for fall. Damn, it's hot. Thank you for liking, subscribing, comment down below. Tell me, has this worked for you? Does something work for you that's just as cheap? I know that you can buy those kits for about 12, 15 bucks or so that does it, but this is just a can of acetone that I had hanging around. So this was free for me, or 2 or 3 bucks, whatever a can of acetone cost you at the local hardware store. Thank you for watching again, and as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet.